So I would encourage us all to share the gospel with others in 2026. And if you're not sure how to share the gospel, simply read 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verses 1 through 4 to them. That is the gospel. I'm going to read it now. So moreover, brethren, I declare to you the gospel, which I preached to you, which also you received, and in which you stand, by which you are also saved, if you hold fast that word which I preached to you, unless you believed in vain. For I delivered to you, first of all, that which I also received, that Christ died for our sins according to the Scriptures in the Old Testament, and that he was buried, and that he rose again on the third day, again according to the Scriptures. That is the gospel.